Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. The Prophet of Allah has said, whoever sees a ruler who is doing wrong, who is doing corruption, who is oppressing people, and the one who sees this kind of ruler and does not try to change that ruler, to remove him, that Allah has the right to enter him into the same place as the ruler. And these are the basic principles of Islam, to enjoin good and forbid evil. And it is beautifully explained and mentioned in Surah Al-Araf, verse number 163. And Allah says, and ask them, O Muhammad, peace be upon you, about the town that was by the sea when they transgressed in the matter of the Sabbath, means Saturday, when their fish came to them openly on the Sabbath day and did not come to them on the day other than Saturday. Thus we made a trial of them, for they used to rebel. So there was a tribe that lived near the seashore, and Allah and His Messenger at that time, Prophet Moses, has told them not to catch fish on Saturday. But they disobeyed their commands. They tricked them. They thought that we would trick Allah and we would be saved from the punishment. So what they did, they prepared holes in tanks and rivulets. The fish entered the tanks through holes and were caught, and in the evening could not return to the sea. And the next day, Sunday, they caught them and said, we have not caught you or touched you on Saturday. But they were lying. Allah says in the next verse, and when a community among them said, why do you advise or warn a people whom Allah is about to destroy or to punish with a severe punishment? They, the advisors, said, to be free from blame before your Lord, and perhaps they may fear Him. So in this verse, Allah is talking about two other groups in the tribes. One who were advising these people that do not do this act, and the second one was of those who, instead of advising to the people who were doing wrong, were advising the advisors that you shouldn't advise these people, because at the end they are going to hell and Allah will punish them. So why are you advising them? Just stay away from them. You should not worry about this act because it has nothing to do with you. So what Allah did to these three groups? In the next verse, Allah says, so when they forgot the remindings that had been given to them, we rescued those who forbade evil. But we seized those who did wrong with a severe torment, with a severe punishment, because they used to rebel. So Allah has clearly mentioned in this verse that He saved only those people who forbade evil, who advised these people to not do wrong. And the rest of them, the silent ones, plus the wrongdoers, they were given punishment and they were turned into apes, and they lived for 3 days and then they were killed. So this is the principle of Islam, to forbid evil, and it's our duty to follow it, especially in public. And among Muslims are people who criticize the people who forbid evil by saying that it's none of your business. This line, none of your business, has no place in Islam. It is our business to stop evil, to stop our brothers and sisters who are doing wrong, and Allah has a severe punishment for them who do opposite of this principle.